The latest example comes in from Himachal Pradesh. The crass pot shot in question was made on the floor of the State Assembly. Can you believe it? And that too by a minister, no less. Congress Minister Jagat Singh Negi has said that BJP MP from Mandi, Kangana Ranaut, only visited flood-affected areas of the hill state after rains had subsided because she feared, and I quote Mr. Negi here, he said she feared that her makeup would get ruined. And while making these crude remarks, he didn't even hesitate in dragging in her mother. Now, if you thought that he could have been swayed by emotions, watch how he remains defiant when he was given a chance to explain. First, listen into the shocker and watch how others laughed along with him on the floor of the House, following which, when he could have apologized for his remarks against Kangana Ranaut, he instead continues to be defiant.
जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। This is nothing unparliamentary, nothing unabusive. एक जो है sarcastic remarks था, और क्या था?
Sarcastic remarks to that person who is not present in the assembly and even who is not member of the assembly.
In the assembly, we are not debarred from making remarks.
But you have to respect other elected representatives.
Yes, I should respect, and I am respecting.
So this is how you are respecting the other.
You are taking it otherwise. I have spoken this in a debate in other contests.
Still you are standing that you have done nothing wrong. The statement was not at all wrong. It was not unparliamentary.
ये बिल्कुल unparliamentary नहीं था जब डिबेट में इस किस्म के तंज कसे जाते.
Unfortunate that even when he was asked, he said it was sarcastic and not sexist in nature, the remarks that he made against Kangana Ranaut. Meanwhile, the actor-turned-MP's team has issued a statement on social media platform without mentioning a specific context to it. The statement reads that the BJP MP has become everyone's favorite target and is paying the price for awakening the sleeping nation. Here is the political slugfest which has happened over this.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हिमाचल को आर्थिक संकट में लाने का काम किया है। वहां पर सैलरी नहीं दे पा रहे हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के एम्प्लॉयज की, पेंशनर्स की, परंतु उनकी प्राथमिकता क्या है? महिला विरोधी टिप्पणियां करना। जो टिप्पणी सदन के भीतर, विधानसभा के भीतर एक मंत्री ने की है, जिस प्रकार की टिप्पणी की है, मैं प्रियंका वाड्रा जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या यही है लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं? और देखिए ना, इस प्रकार की टिप्पणी को समर्थन कांग्रेस पार्टी देती है।
I don't think any statement made against a woman should be callous. One should weigh their words. But in the same breath, I would want to say one very, very pragmatic and a very emphatic point. That when Himachal Pradesh was flooded and large sections of Himachal Pradesh were washed away by the roar of the floods that happened, the central government and the BJP did not even look in the direction of Himachal Pradesh. They refused to call it a national calamity, a national disaster, which would have actually, got Himachal a better package to deal with this crisis. How dare they talk about Himachal? How dare they talk about flood-affected areas?
So those are the reactions which have been coming in. Let me go across to our panelists. Joining us today on the show, Gargi Nandi Roy, a political analyst. Also joining us, Khalid